Today I have the pleasure of speaking with Jason Bagg from Appia Rare Earths and Uranium. Jason, you've just joined the Appia Dream Team. Tell us what drew you to Appia.
It's looking like a fantastic company. Tom Drivas has been working on this for the past 20 years. It's incredible that a lot of people don't know about this story yet. It seems like he's been out there, he's been talking about it. However, the market as a whole has not seen the true value of this company. And we are trading at a very small fraction of our peers, especially being in the rare earths and uranium space, which is having the spotlight on it right now.
Well, I'll tell you, one thing Tom does very well is he attracts super talented people. Like you have Konstantin Karanopoulos on your advisory board, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, and also you have made this deal with ultra rare earth out of the United States for your Brazilian project. Can you give us an update?
Absolutely. Just a bit of a background there. Appia did own a property in Brazil with its Brazilian partners, and an ultra rare earth, a private company that's backed by Stephen Dattel, they came in and said, hey, we want to buy half of this thing. So it did reduce our exposure to it by 25%, but they gave us a lot of money, and they're going out there and they're drilling. They are the operator here. They are out there finding all the rare earths out there in the ionic clays and the carbonatite. And we just had some very good holes come back to us from the assays.
Well, that's what I was going to ask you. Did I not just see some amazing drill results?
Yes, we are. We've got 13 holes that just came back, and from surface to 300 meters, we're showing over 2.55% of total rare earth oxides, and with zones of over 14%. So that is incredible.
And of course, in addition to your Brazil project, you also have in Canada, Alces Lake and Elliot Lake, right?
That's correct.
Okay, do you want to give me break those down for us? And I think perhaps for those of you out there, if you want to see a company that's been in the rare earth industry before everybody else, Appia is right at the top of the food chain. So Alces Lake, what's happening there?
Okay, well, right now that's a 100% owned Appia project. It has a 35-person permanent camp, and we are finding some high-grade rare earths in monazite. And we've been drilling that, and we actually have another drill program coming up for 3,000 meters in June. So that's something we're going to be looking forward to.
And of course, uranium has started to sizzle in the market again, and you have, of course, Elliot Lake. What's happening there?
Elliot Lake is a very interesting project. Right now we have 43,101 pounds in the ground, 55 million pounds of uranium, and 180 million pounds of rare earth elements. Something that we are looking for to perhaps maybe find a partner with, or we're trying to figure out a strategy for that particular project.
So in essence, you have like 3 big projects.
Absolutely. And another one that we're working on right now, which is actually the other side project at the Athabasca Basin, and that's an exploration stage uranium project. So what we're trying to do with that is that we are doing an MT survey, and we're going to refine the drill targets.
New to the team, which is your favorite?
My favorite?
Yes.
Of all the...
all 4 projects.
Well, that's hard to say. Brazil is its own animal. It's kind of, it's out of our kind of control right now because it's with very good hands with ultra rare earth. I do like the upside potential on the uranium side because I do have a uranium background. I do like the other side because of the similar geology. And if all serves and we're correct, then this could be actually a bit bigger.
I would think with what you have with the critical minerals, Jason, that the government would be watching you. What's happening with the government relations?
Well, it's funny. We actually had some of the government come by our booth today, and they're very interested. They want to take a look at how they can help us move us forward. And that's something that we're definitely going to be looking into. All the grants that are out there, anything that we can do to help exploration along without further dilution.
So Jason, after PDAC, what should shareholders be looking forward to in the next quarter?
Well, we are going to have some more drill results come from Brazil, and that's definitely something to be looking for. We're going to be announcing our drilling campaigns in Alces Lake and with the other side. So that's something that they can engage the investors, and it'll be something that we'll have news coming out on those things. So.
Well, Jason, thank you so much for joining us today. And for everybody out there interested in finding out more about Appia rare earths and uranium, they have an excellent website and it can be found here. Thank you, Jason.
Thank you very much, Tracy. Appreciate it.